Can you see?
Yeah.
Yeah, sure. Okay, so how did you get into the Blue Eagles? Like, you came from Ateneo High, right?
Yeah,
So, recruited ka agad?
Not naman, parang they told me lang to join the club already after my last season in the junior.
So, did you get other offers other than Ateneo?
Yeah, pero it's parang
So, why still
not
Ateneo?
formal offers kasi it was parang sure na that I was going to Ateneo. It was obvious that I was going to Ateneo. So they weren't really formal offers, but they came from LaSalle, UP. But just the usual little ligaw from the managers.
Okay, so how does it feel playing with foreigners in the lineup when there are many people from the Blue Eaglets in Team B? So do you feel that Filipinos should be prioritized, or the Blue Eaglets should be prioritized in the seniors?
Well, it's performance-based, so it's really the discretion of Coach Norman. I don't think there's any favoritism, but yeah, I think the Team B players who really came from Ateneo and who have been there for a lot of years already aren't really credited that much for me because of the hard work they've been doing for how many years already. But there, it's really performance-based. The teams get smaller and smaller as you go up the ranks, and you just really have to perform and deliver. So there, it's really hard work.
This is the last one. What can you say about the LaSalle protest?
Bullshit. No, I'm you know what? If they win, even if they win the protest, that just shows how LaSalle really doesn't know how to lose.
Yeah.
I think Sir Ricky Palou put it in the right words that they really don't know how to lose. Because even if Zion and Kirk played, were in the court at the same time, what happened? They didn't really get to do anything. I was even penalized for going back in the court. So they had 2 free throws plus ball possession. That itself was already an advantage to them. It wasn't
So it's okay, coach.
as if
They match it.
Kirk and Zion played together for like 5 minutes or 2 minutes and Zion scored baskets that were assisted by Kirk. It wasn't really like that. If it was like that, I don't understand their protest. But I don't know. I know what's wrong with them.
Okay.
Even if they win the protest, I don't think people are gonna like it. Even people from Boston. They just really have to learn how to lose sometimes. Be fair, guys.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
If there's another